So this video, we're going to cover two things. First, I would like you to know, I've already talked about it, I want you to know the 7 strong acids. And so the 7 strong acids, their Kas are so large, we don't even consider them even having a Ka. So you'll never see a Ka for a strong acid. So hydrochloric, hydrobromic, nitric, none of those will have Ka values. But if you have 2 weak acids and you've been given a Ka value, you can figure out which acid is stronger by looking at the larger Ka value. So for instance, let's look at, this is hydrofluoric acid, which is HF. And so hydrofluoric acid is 6.8 times 10 to the negative fourth is its Ka value. Then you get hypochlorous acid coming from hypochlorite, HClO. Its Ka value is 3 times 10 to the negative 8. So it says, which of the following is a stronger acid? Now, if I had thrown HCl in there, that one would win because it is a strong acid. But these two are weak, but one of them is stronger. You know, you can have 2 weak people, but one still could be a little bit stronger than the other. So the stronger acid is going to be the acid with the larger Ka value. So if you're given a chart and it has some acids, the one with the bigger Ka value, as long as it's not strong, because remember, strongs are always going to be stronger than any of these weaks. All right, that makes sense. So let's then move on. So we have this correlation. So we had this, that the pH plus the POH equals 14. Well, there's another correlation that the Ka times the Kb for the acid and a base, that would be the conjugates, they're going to always equal Kw. So you can always go back and forth between Ka and Kb by just dividing by 1 times 10 to the negative 14. And so we're going to look at that for our next example. So it says, write the conjugate base for the following and calculate the Kb. So we just had this guy as HF. So what would the conjugate base be for HF? So that would be F minus. And so then to figure out the Kb, because this is the base part, the conjugate base, you simply take 1 times 10 to the negative 14th, which is the Kw. That is something you do need to memorize. And we just divide by the Ka for the acid. And we'll be using that quite a bit if it's a base. So we're just going to divide those out and get our answer. And so the Kb for the F minus is 1.47 times 10 to the negative 11th. And so let's look at that. Hypochlorous acid was HClO. So then ClO minus would be the Kb. And its value is 1 times 10 to the negative 14th divided by the Ka. And we would get 3.33 times 10 to the negative 7. So the next question says, well, which one of these would be the stronger base? So our stronger base is going to be the one with the larger Kb, and so this is going to be our answer for the next question, is which is the stronger base. So you can see that the stronger the acid, the weaker its conjugate. The weaker the acid, the stronger its conjugate. So our next question, the stronger base was that hypochlorite ion. And then the last part of the notes is the stronger the acid, the weaker the conjugate base. We will be using this concept quite a bit so in our problems, especially with our salt problems. So see you on the next video.